What's something you wanted to tell me but didn't have the courage to say?
Because I just do the relationship because he was bad, sadly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So one of my subscribers sent me a video. I'm gonna lie, me they like the video, I love the questions, but it's a little card pack thingy that you can buy from Amazon, and it have whole heap of different questions in it. Me never buy the card them, so I went around, write down different questions, and I'm gonna ask Jason them. So I have some questions on my phone, and I can't wait for hear Jason answer. First question. If your ex dies tomorrow or today, would you cry?
My ex before you?
Well, not necessarily have to use the recent ex, but yeah.
Well, yeah, could I use all our ex? What do they really say cry? Well, I feel like we say person Jack Walker, I know them. Yeah.
Alright. Do you see your partner's ex and think like, what the hell?
Never. Me no judgmental. If I your ex, me believe say something about that person that make you talk to them. So when I go make me ego tell me say, yo, I'm better, you see me? Something make you talk to him, so when I go say, what the hell? You see me? It would have to be well bad, like in personality. Like in personality that make me feel like, why they really go there, so but it would have been like looks or anything or stuff.
Yeah.
It's just personality, it have to be well off.
Or how many times have you ever had S on the first date?
Where you call first date? Like first time we meet?
First date?
Not too anyway. I don't know, probably over 10 times. I don't remember that.
Have you ever blocked any of your ex on social media? If yes, why?
Probably one time. But I can't remember why.
You can't remember why?
No.
Admit something that you argue about and later found out you were in the wrong.
Well, more this I argue about this, but I think there are two things I remember at the same time. I did say it and then finally say I did in the wrong. I think the other day, yeah, we did in the kitchen, we take up the bag, carry it outside on the veranda. We did it outside well long and then come in and I said, babe, oh, you're full of stain, come I think you carry around, but actually I did me. That's one. Last time I come in, I never locked the door. So I come out this morning, I see AC on and the door open. And I said, babe, you left the door? And then I said, boom. And then you remember seeing me. So I remember that clearly.
Okay.
So I never argue, but I did accuse based on my statements.
What's something you wanted to tell me but didn't have the courage to say?
I think I've told you everything that I wanted to tell you. You must agree upon that.
Well, we can't agree, but if you say that, I believe you.
No man, me not keep money from you, I tell you the truth.
If money wasn't a factor, what would you do with your time?
That's a good question, Mom. I would spend at least 50% more the time when we use going towards money, like spend time with you, definitely in a relationship. Like all of the time the way I miss up on, not saying she miss up on a lot because I know when people feel like so she not getting on my time because I know how the internet is, sadly. Because I say like the extra time I take a work, I get more of my time, much more of my time.
Alright. How long could you go not hearing from me?
Hours. Just hours, not more than that.
Okay.
And as soon as we done do it, I'm gonna busy more for your friend. Same time.
If we should break up, would you try to work things out?
I feel like you right with this thing. I would try to I don't feel like I'm gonna say no. I wouldn't see things go to where we actually break up. I would actually try if you know make it reach this. But if it do reach this and it happen, but I still try to get it back. Yeah.
And why?
Because you're worth it. You understand what I say? You can't have somebody you love and really care about, spend so much of your time, put it in work to make sure them alright. You change up enough of your body ways them, you adjust your lifestyle, you plan a future in your mind, you're working towards a future, and then you have to see the person walk out the door. Furthermore, I always say this to you and about you to my friends them. I don't know how much people on the channel know it. I'm very skeptical when it comes to children. 95% of the women them I know nowadays, and this is very high, I would never have a child because of how them carry themselves and because of how them deal with people. Because enough people don't know how to carry themselves and they don't know how to deal with people. But I always say the woman that will carry my child have to be a real person where when them love somebody, them genuinely love somebody and can show love. Meaning say them people never feel loved whether I'm there or not because things can happen. So we break up. I don't want I see this a lot and it scares me. That's why I'm always say 95% of women say it scares me. Enough people or enough women when them and the man left, that pitney there, doom. And I'm afraid of that. Furthermore, I'm very caring and I'm very passionate about children. So I don't want it must mean that we have a bad day or even a bad time. It just means that probably me just not at home. I don't want to know say my child now get proper care. And no time at all. I don't want people can slip up because your parents, but I want them slip up they will be very little. I just want to make sure my child grow and be alright because that's how I feel like it's supposed to go. So I'm gonna really go back after you because you have to be my wife and baby mother. Yeah, really.
So guys, I can just freestyle them now. What's one thing you don't like to eat from me? Like when I give you and say, babe, this and it, you can't do that one, yeah.
Oh, porridge.
Yes.
If you cook porridge, I want to cry. I want to cry. Yeah. But the last 3 times a week, you get better, which is a good look. First time you make porridge for me, because I just do the relationship because it was bad. Yeah, it was bad.
It was bad.
The porridge was swimming like the Titanic.
You know the funniest thing stick up in, guys. People have it to say I can cook. I think I can cook, but with the channel I just make on the system. I can't cook everything. The new channel I'm gonna make, I for sure wanna say me I try just like on it. So help me to help you situation. Me cook it, you see me do something wrong, comment in the comment section and say no girl I don't eat that. I can't cook everything. I think we need to tell you that. When you see me in my sleep, what the first thing run across your mind?
Thank God she asleep.
Why?
No man, sometimes, boy, I don't know. You see, just before bed, I don't know what get into your body, miss, but sometimes you just OD. But I love when you're asleep because you have the most precious look when you're asleep. So when you're asleep, I actually take that time to just look and say, oh my God, you are good. That's honest, by the way.
Take one picture with me when I sleep. I remember if I have none.
I have a lot and I have a lot when you're snoring as well. What you feel when you see me just sit down and hold it and nah? Like, when come to you and say something I have a problem with and you go on emotionally. What you feel when you see me just sit down like?
To be honest, sometimes I feel embarrassed.
Oh.
Very embarrassed. Because when I get honesty, I say, I won't talk to like that, and then me flare up. Then after me I say, I go take the lower seat, I say, you don't wanna lie? And then I go back and I say, babe, I'm big friend.
How you feel when me go road for hours and I'm new on the road? You feel like insecure like me on the road with a woman and everything?
No. If you ask me this further back in the relationship, me would have said yes. And this is something I talked about already. When me and Jason just start talking, this is not me justifying, but me never have no choice but to feel that way.
Let's say I wanted a wedding where, a private wedding, where no one personally invited you, still get married to me?
Yes, I would. We'd have to compromise though. without what you consider as private.
No, me don't want marry private, but
No, I know.
Private, but me just say like suppose I'm missing which situation we can use. Me, you, we pastor, one, what you call that?
Maid of honor?
No, what the person where witness. Suppose I did that.
I mean, me would I do it because at the end of the day, me no want to get married because you know, me want to have one big fancy wedding. Me want to get married because it's the right thing to do. But at the same time, you know, me would I just want me thing I want in a one way where, you know, want my family and everybody to come enjoy the moment.
How much time passed in the relationship before you start things? You know, you're not used to have that long.
You know, so I think in the second year of the relationship.
The second year?
Mm-hmm. In the second year, when me just start talking, I say, it feels good. It feels good. And I say, alright, I could see what I can do now. That's how I did my mentality.
I don't know if I did tell you this, but if I tell you, it was a secret, but if I never tell you, it is a secret now. But I can tell you anyway, so you don't know. You know, see, I had 3 or 4 girls I ever talked to for 2 years. And that's my longest relationship. Every time I reach 2 years, I ever get left. So if you would say after 2 years that made say actually look like you connect this or then.
Well, yeah, because that's like I'm being honest, moments of honesty. And at the second year, I'm probably somebody I gonna say, then Angel, all along with you think you love Razor before that. I never said I never love him. But at the same time, and I'm not only female alone, man too. We have to value ourselves and we have to ensure that the person we do with value we as well. I'm not saying Jason never value me, but at the same time, things can take a turn. Somebody can wake up and don't feel like how they did feel yesterday. You know, could have wake up and feel the way that Jason could have wake up and feel the way that. And I'm a female like this. I love very hard. If I say I love you. I not go around it. I not go behind you. I not backbite you. I just love you. I have your back 100% until you prove me wrong. And that's why when my relationship them fail, it normally take a toll upon me. And ex-friends when I did have would have said, stop stress over the boy, man, But how can I not stress? I did love, you know. I could just walk and act like say the person never do a thing for me at the end of them life. I never did love the person. But after 2 years, I didn't know, say, alright, I want this to work. I see me and you go somewhere. It's hard sometimes, but I feel like we're compatible. You know, it's not always easy because we have the same personality. But yeah, after 2 years, I say, alright, I eat this, I'm gonna try it. Let me see which part it can go and stuff like that.
If I was to meet with one of your ex, without you knowing, what do you think the conversation would have been about? What do you think it about? How do you think it about? Like me just meet up with one of your ex and the diaries, what do you think would happen?
I have ex where if you're them to meet up now, like it would be a bad vibe.
How much of your exes you ever cooked for?
Very good question. 2 alone.
For me, you ever cook something an ex or your ex you cook for and it never tastes good or it go bad or it burn or whatever?
Yes.
Like
So one time I did go cook stew chicken because them love stew chicken.
Wait. I know me at that one.
No.
Oh, wow.
So no love stew chicken.
No, don't compare me, don't bracket it.
Anyways, so we tell the ex that we're gonna cook stew chicken and the person get excited. But then when we check, no brownie never did it. And then we can't change because the person already want the stew chicken. So me now, see my mother burn sugar and make stew chicken. Me say the chicken bit. Yo, me never taste nothing so bitter, it go bad. And mommy just make it look easy. She just chewing chicken and chicken come out stew. And that did go bad.
Part C. Anytime you come with a bag of arguing or anything at all, I'm not going to say nothing. I'm going to say bitter chicken.
Stop.
What if I quit YouTube? What do you think would I take up?
What do you call that now? Where did I put that? Videography? Videography or production or something.
Me myself don't know the answer, and I just see what you think.
Well, that me feel like you do videography production, or you either going to some cafe thing like internet cafe. Yeah, because they're good with them stuff there.
Do you think I am serious when I tell you do not take off my ring?
Yes, you are. Why?
I what?
Why is so serious about it?
Okay.
Give them the answer.
I say this 1 million amount of time. I take marriage seriously. It's not really the ring, because I don't really care about the ring in the sense of the ring. Make me a go and suck. No matter how much we spend on a ring is a ring. But it's the symbolism. It symbolizes that we are married and we have a union, a bond. And you taking off that ring is saying you don't want this bond and we are not bonded. So, joke or not, I don't like you taking off the ring. Because we just feel like say, yo, like take we love serious, because if we go that far, we say married, we show each other say we bonding and show the world to, because when you're married, that I first if somebody know because you have a ring.
Yeah.
So you taking it off is like, yeah, take me thing if you are.
Happy sure.
Furthermore, if you tell you this too, I don't like jewelry. And my husband say I don't like ring. I one ring me I plan for wear on my finger. Okay.
When you look for me, what got you in your mind?
I love you. I love her. That goes to my mind.
Babe, yeah, because that's not you. What? Babe, you're not so lovey.
So, alright, I might not say it, but it's what goes to my mind. And not everybody show emotions like that. So if me say I love her in my mind, you can't tell my mind say that me I say, you'll never win, give up.
I know, losing battle. When was the last time you searched my phone?
Long time.
Da-da-dee.
Don't da-da-dee me.
Da-da-dee.
Bro.
Guys, talking about search phone, like end after video and start one next video on story time.
Bro.
Me I gotta tell them, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 100k. Bye guys.